In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Etsy. First, open Etsy and log into your account. Next, click your profile icon and go to Account Settings. Now, just below your account settings, you'll find many tabs. Click on Credit Cards and it'll show you a text saying it's only possible to add a new credit card during checkout. Learn how here. Click on it and you can see that you need to purchase an item in order to add a payment method. So let's go ahead and buy an item. Let's look for an item. Okay, let's buy this one. I'll click on it and it'll take me to this page, where it asks me to select some options, choose your preferred ones, fill in any additional information needed, and also enter the quantity of the item you want. Then click Buy It Now. Then enter all your address details and hit Continue to Payment. Now, in your payment method window, enter all your card details carefully. You can also set your card as default card to be used for future purchases by default. And your card has been added successfully, as you can see. To check it, you can go to your account settings once again, then Credit Cards, and you can see your card there. And that's it. That's how you add a payment method on Etsy. Thanks for watching.